Yo, what is going on, bros? Today I have some bad news. I had to pull the engine, man. You guys are gonna love this one. Stay tuned.
What we do here is go back.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. I have come, it's cold and losing my control. The light is gone, the night has come, it's crazy. The night is gone, and lonely dark. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. My way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. It's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation.
Alright, so let's start off with all the good. So, taking this engine apart, I didn't really want to have to do it, but, you know, I kind of have some stuff that I need to update, like the Cerakote and how the side skirt coatings were doing. And it's kind of good to see the bearings and things like that. This engine's only going to be down for about 2 weeks. I have a cruise and a meet to go to on the 29th, so I'm fingers crossed I'm going to get this done by then. I got all the parts on the way. I need to go grab some parts from the salvage yard, and you guys will see why here in a second. But like I said, let's dive in and let's take a look at some of the good things that came with pulling the engine. So to start off, the cylinders look fantastic. Cross hatching is all still there. The crank looks good. Jump over here. So the exhaust cam, when I took the bolts off, none of them were loose at all. They were still super tight, and the Loctite definitely held them in. So a little bit of Loctite on the exhaust cam bolts definitely did a good job. We can see all of our cam lobes. They look nice and shiny. And we'll come over here and take a look at one of the pistons. And you can see, look at that Cerakote, man. That ceramic coating. Yo, look at that. All the way to the edge. It is hanging in there, man. That is exciting. So I'm going to do an update video on that for sure. And the bearings are pretty good. Like, it's only worn through that very top coating. And all of them look like this, or better. So that looks really good. Again, you can kind of see a little stripe in there from where a little piece of debris got in there. And you guys want to know why that is? You want to know what the problem is? I don't know. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh no. Yeah, that's the problem. I broke a ring land. If you look here on the top, you can see some of that Cerakote's coming off, and you can see there was some detonation happening in this cylinder, and I know why. Fuel injector number 1 was clogged up, man. It was clogged up. Just take a look at this. But the side skirt coatings definitely did their job. And what's really crazy is I was doing burnouts on this engine when it was like that. I can't even believe it. I was like going crazy. And I was like, okay, gotta figure out this misfire because it started getting really bad. And yeah, it turned out to be broken ringlands. Look at that. That's crazy. Man, what a shame. Don't worry though, guys. I'm really not worried about it. I'm gonna go down to the salvage yard tomorrow and I'm gonna go rip some pistons and rods out of an engine and just come right down here, slap them in, get this all cleaned up, and then once I get like the head gasket and all those seals and stuff, I'm gonna get this engine back together. Mark my words, by the 29th, I'm going to be on the road, guys. I'm gonna be on the road. So I have less than 2 weeks. It took me 24 hours to rip the engine and tear it down. So it should take me 24 more hours. It didn't really take me that long, but like, you know, in a day's worth of time, I got it ripped out, tore it down. In a day's worth of time, I'll get it built back up and put back in. So I've got, what is that, 12 days worth of time to rebuild the engine and get all the parts and stuff. So I am confident, you guys. I am confident that we're going to be okay. I'm confident that I'm going to be back on the road here super soon. I have that road trip to go on. It's just a quick update for you guys. Like I said, I'm going to be back out there burning rubber again. Stay tuned. If you like this content, hit that like button, subscribe. It'll help me out to afford these parts that I got coming. You know, the more subscribers and views I get, the more money that I make to get parts. You know what I'm saying? I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be back again real soon. Stay tuned. Catch you next time.